rather soft, aren't they? Biting very much though, isn't it? Yep. Little. What a good bite. Hey, little fella. Watch out there, he's just coming in. Yeah, how's that for timing? I only just put the battery in this camera and Nicholas is on. You're going to be right to net him yourself? Oh, I think you are. You're a bit hard for a little fish, Mr. Nicholas.
You did.
So g'day folks, welcome to another PTP Fishing, and the saltwater fishing continues. So today is a pretty special day, to be honest with you. I'm on the water. You would have seen from the little bit of footage before this intro that I'm on the water with Nicholas. We were trying to figure out in the car on the way down here when the last time we fished together, and we can't figure it out. It was too long ago. So going to enjoy being on the water with him, hopefully catch a few flathead. I hope you enjoy it too. Welcome to another PTP Fishing. I meant to catch it while I've got the camera going, Mr. Nicholas.
Upside down.
Been wrapped up.
Right.
It's funny, isn't it? I reckon they go and sit on top of it, because like he's hooked from underneath through, if you know what I mean.
I think they should pick him, Pete.
Because you're on fire. I'm going to change plastics, I think. Tell it's high tide because all the leaf debris and everything's on the water, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's on the run out.
Yep. Oh, I felt him go and sit on it, eh? Where's he going? Don't play up now, buddy. Come in the net.
Away from you, Pete.
So as you can see from my attire, it's been sort of a little bit of a wet and wonderful morning so far, but that's my biggest of the two that I've caught. Change over my lures. So I was fishing that squidgy wriggler that I've been fishing the last couple of videos, but Nicholas has been caning him on that other soft plastic, so I'll show you that in a second. But that one will be low 40s. Happy to get a bite, happy to get on the board, and I'll show you this lure real quick. Oh, maybe I won't show you the lure because Nicholas is on. So it's all happening. So that is what Nicholas's fish has coughed up. Little bait fish of some sort. We'll throw that in there because it stinks. This is the lure that we're now both fishing. So it's a Rapala Crush City for imposters, yeah? Imposter looks like a freshwater yabby or a prawn, or sorry, a saltwater yabby or a prawn. I've got a huge knot on my line, so I've got to keep an eye on that. But I'm going to process these two fish and get our lines back in the water, because obviously the bite's happening right now. So not surprisingly, now that the tide has turned, yeah, and we've got a fair bit of run happening. I'm not sure if it'll make it into the video, but Nicholas was saying before that we've got like a 2.3 high down to a 0.4 low, so there will be plenty of run in the tide. Oh, and that was a bite. So yeah, I think the flatties are going to be on fire, or at least feeding while there's plenty of run, sitting in all those little ambush points waiting for something to swim past. Hopefully it's either of our plastics, but certainly Nicholas has been on fire so far. Need a few more. Oh, that's a bit more serious. Still, it sort of stood there and shook its head to begin with, didn't it? It's not huge, but he's not bad. You got the knack today, Mr. Nicholas. I don't know whether, I don't think I'm going to fly this one. I don't think I'm going to fly down either. Oh, what's that? Nah, it's a tailor. I'll lift it, it'll be fine. Just don't pull me in, whatever you do.
Oh, it's going this way. There you go.
Not a big tailor, but I was happy to get them into the boat. 9 times out of 10 they bite you off, but you can go back. See ya. It's certainly rattly to begin with, but look at that brim. Can you believe it?
Really?
Yeah. That's on a big hook too. Well, that fish is definitely a surprise. See you, buddy. Decent. It's not a flathead, surely.
No. It's giant.
Oh, it is. That's a big flathead. So this is going to test my netting skills, is it not? Straight after a lure change as well, Mr. Nicholas. Nice fish. That is a cracker. Okay folks, if you're going to get a flathead when it's been really quiet, you may as well get a good one. And that, I hope the camera does it justice, is an absolute cracker. Absolute cracker, and Nicholas has changed, still a Crush City plastic. That's the little paddle tail in the whiting colour. Wowee. Wowee, what a beautiful fish. It's not a 3 metre flatty, but it's a big flatty. So there's one very happy angler, 65 centimetre flathead. So the last hour has been very slow, but that has just made our day. And I'll let him go. He's popped a tag at him. Fish this size is just too good to catch once. Goes. It is quite amazing how all of a sudden there is lots of enthusiasm on the boat, considering for the last hour we've been wondering why we're even here. So one bite can change your day, and in many ways I'm glad Nicholas got the bite, because he hasn't been doing a lot of fishing, so a fish like that is a reward for effort. Very, very good indeed. I won't argue if a reasonable one wants to bite on my lure too. Did you hear that fish? My lure's out there as well.
There's no doubt we'll go.
Gotcha.
There you go.
Okay, stay on this time, fishy. Back into the little fellas, but better than the little fellas I was getting. Oh, don't do that. Don't shake your head. The illegal little fella, Nicholas. There you go. Better than the little tiny ones I've been getting, but only just 400, so just legal. Perfect tagger. See you later, mate. Ciao. Nice. Doesn't matter. Fish is a fish.
Shaking his head like a little annoying rat.
Rattling its head, he says.
Oh. Strong little one. Underside.
Oh, it's because it's a big brim. Doesn't want me to show you the camera, so that's what I mean. So that's a 3/8 jig head with a 3/0 hook. You still catch most probably what is a 25, 26 centimetre brim. So when a brim wants it, he'll eat it. They're a pretty voracious fish when they want to do it. Before he kicks, I'm going to put him down. And that's going to be it for this PTP fishing. Nicholas and I have had a little bit of fun. The fishing has been, well, for Nicholas it's been red hot. So stoked that he got that bigger fish. It's been really nice just to pick up a few fish, and certainly the saltwater fishing at the moment is better than the fresh. So enjoying my fishing, enjoying catching up with some mates, Aaron and Nicholas, over the last few trips. Hope you're enjoying the videos too. If you are, don't forget, like, subscribe, help me grow the channel, and I'll catch you next time from PTP Fishing. See ya. So there it is, 28 centimetres worth of brim. Nice way to finish the video. This one's shaking its head. This could be better. Oh, Nicholas. Nicholas. There's a good fish. It's pretty crazy what happens when you turn the cameras off and just go fishing. 57 centimetre flathead. Again on that Rapala, Crush City, the Suspect soft plastic. Stoked with that.